Mathematics translates words to diagrams and symbols. Here are some English words outlining a situation. There are 4 children in a party. A set of 11 whole cakes are to be equally divided amongst them. How much cake does each child receive? So the task at hand is to equally divide one set of 11 cakes between a group of 4 children. Now, it is important to note that keywords in mathematics has their symbol for translation, mathematical symbols. For example, the word equal, the mathematical symbol for it, here it is. The word divide, here is the mathematical symbol for its translation. The word 1, here is the mathematical symbol for its translation. The word 11, here's the mathematical symbol for its translation. And the word 4, here's the mathematical symbol for its translation. So mathematics translates words to symbol. So we need to divide equally a set of 11 cakes amongst 4 children. So here now are some symbols to denote the word cake. So the diagram for cake, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cakes. And the diagram for children here, we can use a rectangle for the 4 children, 1, 2, 3, 4 children. So you have a set of 11 cakes and a group of 4 children. So we're going to try to equally divide those 11 cakes amongst those 4 children. So you can give a first child a cake, a second child can get a cake. Okay, so we equally divide in the 11 cakes amongst the 4 children. So the third child gets a cake and the 4th child gets a cake. Okay, now you can see now we have more cakes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first child can get another cake. Likewise, the second child can get another one. The third child can get another one. And the 4th child can get another one. Now we have 3 cakes left and we have 4 children. So what are we going to do? Okay, so what we can do, we can take a cake and divide it into 4 equal slices. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take one cake and divide it into 4 equal slices, because remember we have 4 children. So we can take one cake, so we have 1 slice, that's 2, 3, 4. So that would be about right. So that's 1. That's 1 out of 4. Take another slice. Second slice. That's 2 out of 4. Let's give it to the second child. Third slice. Three. And a 4th slice. Right, so therefore this cake has been equally divided, right? So this into 4 equal slices. So this, the quantity for that slice is 1/4, because it's 1 out of 4 slices. So bear that in mind. This slice has a value of 1/4. So we can repeat the same thing for this cake right here. Okay, so this cake, we're going to divide it. Another slice for that cake, for that child, another one for that child, another one for that child, and another one for that child. So please bear in mind that this has a value of 2 out of 4 already, because remember, each slice is 1 out of 4. So this amount here is 2 out of 4. All right, please bear that in mind. This is 1 out of 4 slices. This one will be 2 out of the 4 slices. Okay, and we're going to do that same thing with this cake. We're going to share it now into 4 equal slices. As you can see. So therefore, this is 1, 2, 3 out of 4. Okay, 4 of these slices will make a whole. All right, so bear that in mind. So this is 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4. So this is 3 quarters. Okay, so each child received 2 whole cakes and 3 quarters of a cake. Okay, so we can conclude that 1 quarter of 11 is equal to 1, 2 and 3 quarters. A quarter of 11 is 2 and 3 quarters. Okay. Off, the symbol for off, the word off is very important in fraction language, and the symbol for off is times the multiplication. So a quarter times 11 is 2 and 3 quarters. So we can conclude that when we would like to share each child, if we want to share a set of 11 cakes amongst a group of 4 children, therefore, each child will receive 2 whole cakes and 3 quarters. Two whole cakes and 3 quarters of 1. Is a symbol for 3 quarters of a whole 1. All right, and that's what happened. So if you want to divide 11 cakes equally amongst 4 children, each child will receive 2 cakes and 3 out of 4 or 3 quarters of a whole 1. So in conclusion, a quarter times 11 is 2 and 3 quarters.